The Dodge 5.9L V8 engine is well known for its impressive longevity, often exceeding 350,000 miles when maintained properly. The engine's robust construction and thoughtful design play a crucial role in its durability. Both the Dodge and Ford engines incorporate advanced technologies, like multi-port fuel injection and hydraulic roller camshafts, enhancing performance and efficiency. These innovations ensure superior fuel delivery and a smoother operational experience. The Ford 7.3L Power-Stroke V8 diesel engine stands out for its exceptional reliability in heavy-duty applications. Its sturdy cast iron architecture contributes significantly to its strength and resilience under demanding conditions. Known for its reliability and ease of maintenance, the 7.3L Power-Stroke engine can endure stresses much greater than those typically faced by consumer engines. This durability makes it a preferred choice in heavy-duty settings. The Chevrolet small block V8 engine has earned a reputation as a dependable powerhouse within Chevrolet and GMC trucks for decades. Its innovative design fosters remarkable longevity and impressive performance. Similarly, the Ford 300 inline-six engine is celebrated for its outstanding durability, frequently surpassing the 300,000-mile threshold. Its sturdy design and reliability render it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. The late 1980s marked a significant transition from carburetors to electronic fuel injection, greatly enhancing the fuel efficiency and drivability of engines. This technological shift represented a critical advancement in automotive performance. The Toyota 3VZ V6 engine is recognized for its remarkable durability, often exceeding 300,000 miles. Its reliability appeals to both everyday drivers and off-road enthusiasts alike. Regular maintenance, including timely oil changes and thorough inspections, is vital in extending the lifespan of engines like the Toyota 3VZ V6. Consistent care ensures optimal performance and promotes longevity. The engine boasts a double overhead camshaft design, facilitating improved airflow and higher RPM capabilities, essential for maximizing power output when necessary. This design feature significantly enhances overall performance. Additionally, the continuous variable valve timing system optimizes performance based on engine speed and load. This cutting-edge technology significantly enhances the engine's versatility across various driving conditions. The Toyota 22R engine, renowned for its durability, can easily surpass the 300,000-mile mark, earning the moniker bulletproof among truck enthusiasts. Its design prioritizes reliability and straightforward maintenance. Equipped with a high-pressure common rail fuel system, this engine ensures efficient fuel delivery, enhancing both combustion efficiency and overall performance. Such technology significantly reduces emissions while maintaining power. With a torque range spanning from 850 lb-ft to 1,750 lb-ft, this engine excels in towing and hauling hefty loads. Its robust performance solidifies its status as the preferred choice for truck owners requiring dependable power. Built with a cast iron composition and featuring a gear-driven camshaft, this engine is designed to handle significant wear over time. This rugged architecture supports peak performance without the worry of breakdowns. The Duramax engine showcases a sturdy cast iron block coupled with lightweight aluminum cylinder heads, optimizing both strength and efficiency. This design strategy ensures durability during heavy use. With horsepower varying between 360 to 445 and torque exceeding 900 left, the Duramax engine shines in towing and performance scenarios, establishing itself as a top choice for truck enthusiasts. Lastly, routine maintenance, including regular oil changes and filter replacements, is essential for maximizing the Duramax engine's lifespan. Proper care translates to years of reliable performance.